dear children, today we are going to start Unit 8, that is measurements, and first of all we are going to take up measurement of length. And to solve the questions related to measurement of length, you should remember the units. Now, I am going to tell you that you need not to remember the units, okay? You need to remember only one line, that is King Henry died, mother did not cry much, and this single line will help you to solve all the sums related to measurements. Now, you can write the first letter for all of these words, okay? Now, K for king, H for Henry, D for died, M for mother, and D for did not, C for cry, and M for much. Now, let us write the units for them. The smallest unit is millimeter, then centimeter, then decimeter, then meter, then decameter, hectometer, and kilometer. You can write the line. Even you don't need to write the line. When you will remember this line, you just need to write the first letter of all these words, okay? So, milli, centi, deci, you have to remember the sequence of units like this. Milli, centi, deci, then meter, and deca, hecto, kilo. And if you want to remember from the bigger units, starting from the bigger unit, then kilo, hecto, deca, meter, deci, centi, milli. Because here you can use the word right with them, but you don't need to remember that, because if you are doing measurement of length, it is understood that the unit is meter and you have to write meter with all these units, okay? So, millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, then meter, then decameter, hectometer, kilometer. So, you just remember like this, milli, centi, deci, then meter, then deca, hecto, kilo. So, you just have to write the words like this. King Henry died, mother did not cry much, okay? You have to write the first letter of the words. Now we know milli, centi, deci, then it is meter, then deca, hecto, and kilo. Now the rule is that this is the smallest unit and this is the biggest one. If we will go upward, it means we are moving towards the bigger units, and if we are coming downwards, it means we are coming towards the smaller units. So if we will go upward, then we have to divide, because we are going towards the bigger units. If we have to move downwards, we have to multiply. It means that we are coming towards the smaller units, okay? So you can say for bigger units divide, and for smaller units multiply. Fine. So now, by what number you have to multiply and by what number you have to divide. That is also very important. So, if you are going one step above, means you have to convert milli to centi. It means you are going one step above to the bigger unit, so you will divide by 10. If you will have to go 2 steps above, you will have to divide the number by 100, and so on. Same is the method when you will just come downward, okay? So if you will have to convert kilo to hecto, it means you are coming towards the smaller unit but by 1 step. So you will just multiply by 10. If you will have to convert hecto to meter, it means you have to come 2 steps down. So you will multiply by 100. So dear students, you just have to remember the line King Henry died, mother did not cry much, and you need not to write these whole words again and again of the sentence. You can only write the first letter of the words, that is K, H, D, M, D, C, M. Okay, King Henry died, mother did not cry much. Second thing you have to remember, when you have to go upwards, you need to divide. When you will come downward, you need to multiply. Now you will multiply the number. For that you will have to see how many steps you are coming down, okay? If you are coming 2 steps down, then you will multiply by 100. If you are going 3 steps upward, you will divide by 1000. Means the number of steps means the number of zeros that you have to put along with 1. So dear students, by using this method, you can solve each and every question related to measurements. Now, what if we have to do the questions related to measurement of weight? The method will be same. only in place of meter here you will write grams. Okay, so milligram, centigram, decigram, then here it will be gram, then decagram, hectogram and kilogram. And when we have to solve the questions related to capacity, then the word meter will get replaced by liters. Milliliter, centiliter, deciliter, here we'll have liter, then decaliter, hectoliter and kiloliter. So this is the formula by applying which you can solve the questions related to measurements.